Good afternoon, guys. A little bit late start to the day. Well, I'm late for automotive content, but I had just a few errands to run and medical appointments this morning. Just normal life stuff. And yeah, have a friend coming over soon. That he has a 2012 Outback 3.6R. Pretty cool car. We're just gonna do LED headlights on it, and like I said yesterday, we ordered a few parts for that Volvo. I also was looking up its mileage, and it's due for an oil change as well, so ordered some oil and oh, that reminds me, I forgot to get an oil filter. Shoots. So yeah, we'll order an oil filter. I got some liquid moly products for it as well to see if we could stop a little bit of the oil leaks. Last year, I think it was last year, I pressure washed the engine really well just to try and find some where the leaks were coming from, and it looked like it was everywhere, like typical, like oil pan, valve cover. The turbo looks like it's pushing a lot of oil. Yeah, just high mileage turbocharged engine stuff, but still runs really good. The body's in good condition. That's why I think it's still worth putting some money into. But yeah, so yeah, we'll get to work on the Outback, and then that'll be pretty much it for the day. And hopefully tomorrow I plan to finish up all the work on the Jeep and organize the garage a bit better, because it's supposed to be nice weather out again. Cool, well, let's get to it. I think all you need to come on is the fog light connector. So I'll give you those the LEDs that I tested in this car.
Yeah.
And we'll both put them in. It's the same bulb as the Outback, so we'll throw those in, because I don't ever want to change these bulbs again. These will last forever. There you go. Yeah. So I bought a bunch of these, but now I can't find them. Oh, that one was bent. So these ones you have to put the connector in first, or the housing. Like that.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's why you need the bigger, because it's got a fan on it for cooling.
Are these the high beams or the running lights?
The low beams, so. Go. Perfect. I think. You want to turn the lights on? Because they only work one way, so I want to make sure.
Like that one, right?
Yeah. Like polarity specific. Perfect. And if you just hold the button on it, you can like twist it by hand, give it a little snugger. Yeah.
Interesting.
This is the color of LEDs. They're a lot more like white.
Nice.